And welcome back. The 3-year-old Bay filly, I Am the One, ridden by Canadian-based Barbadian jockey Simon Husbands for trainer Anthony Baba Nunes, landed the first classic of the 2019 local racing season, the 45th running of the Jamaica 1,000 guineas over a mile at Caymanas Park on Saturday.
There was great anticipation surrounding the matchup between the 6-5 favourite Lady Blue and the 9-5 second choice I Am the One. When the starting gates were opened, it was Corazon and Formal Fashion that went to the front, but they only led for a very brief moment because the big two soon took charge and went away in battle.
Next, the gap opens up to Princess Annie, then Casual Drink, and the Grey Envisage trails the field. The tempo should increase as they're about to arrive at the half mile in the Guineas, and I Am the One now hits the front and heads home. It is I Am the One out in front. Lady Blue is chasing on the outside. In behind them, Princess Lauren. A break back to Princess Ava and Corazon, both about 6 lengths off that lead. They're followed up by Formal Fashion, then Sweet Like Sugar, Soul Cure making some progress, but the leaders will come thundering into the lane in the 1,000 guineas. I Am the One on the rail. Lady Blue right alongside almost, but I Am the One now injects some speed into it and begins to pull away from Lady Blue, looking to be tying up. In behind them, that's Princess Lauren. Princess Ava will try to run on from in behind, but I Am the One and Simon Husbands, he pulls out the stick in the right hand, and they hold a commanding lead inside the final 16th in the first classic of the season. It's I Am the One, Simon Husbands, and I Am the One will win the 1,000 guineas over Lady Blue, Casual Drink.
I Am the One, who was racing for only the second time, came home in 1 minute 40 and 1/5 of a second, winning by 3 3/4 lengths over Lady Blue, with Casual Drink and Envisaged completing the frame.
I was mostly worried the first part of the race, for the first 3/8 of a mile, and after I get past the 5/8 pole, I got my horse to relax, and she was relaxed, and I got into a good rhythm. And going to the 3/8 pole, when the Lady Blue came up to me head and head, I chirped to my filly and asked her to quicken up, and she did that for me nicely. So right from the 2.5 furlongs out, I know it was all done.
She really answered the call. We really asked her to do a lot in 3 weeks to move from maiden company to the best 3-year-old fillies in the island. You know, she proved us all right. The way we felt about her from before she even raced, we felt that way about her. So it's good when they can come out and do it, you know.
Champion apprentice Christopher Mamdeen had a 3-timer to take over the lead in the Jockeys Championship. Racing continues on Sunday with a 10-race card starting at 12 noon. Reporting from Caymanas Park, I'm Spencer Darlington for TVJ Sports.